So it's been a long time. I am not making any videos for you guys. So today I have planned to make some videos for you. So what I want to talk about I want to talk about Project Management Office or PMO. Sometimes PMO is known as EPMO, or that means Enterprise Project Management Office. So what is actually Project Management Office? Why Project Management Office is needed in our organizations. So Project Management Office, so if you think in this angle that you are doing business, so for your manufacturing, for manufacturing your products, you have a department that is known as manufacturing department. You have a department for sales. You have a department more for procurement or logistic department. You have a department who actually handle the financials of the organization, that is finance department. And HR department is managing HR related activities. Similarly, if your organization is doing project management, there should be a department, there should be a within the organization, there should be a department which actually will manage everything related to projects, so that the targeted result, that for the reason why the project has been initiated, those targeted result business value should be realized by managing all the projects appropriately. The responsibilities of PMO office can range from just giving guidance or mentoring or training or helping from the lesson learned on the previous project to finally managing all the projects of the organizations. So quite a bit of responsibility PMO has. So this is why actually we need PMOs. And if you see the surveys, in the recent survey, PMI every year make a survey on big projects in the big enterprises in the world, and the survey they publish in their website, the survey is named as Pulse of the Profession. So in the recent Pulse of the Profession, it is seen that 12% of every project is actually wasted. 12% budget of every project is wasted due to not managing the project properly. So just if we consider this number, so we are very much required a department organization who will actually ensure that your projects run successfully and you get the result from the project, and it is not delayed, it is not shoot the budget, all right, and it creates the value. So that's why we need a PMO office. Now let's talk about what kind of PMO we will start with, right? Then we have to understand what are the activities, what are the responsibilities of PMO. So first responsibility is PMO can be a repository. And PMO can give different kind of supports, like train your project managers or the people who are managing the projects or working in the project. Then PMO office can give templates, can give guidelines, give mentoring, mentor the project people. So this kind of supporting role PMO office can do. Then secondly, PMO office can develop project management methodology, processes, procedures, standards, so that your project team or your project managers follow that guideline. And PMO office ensures that everyone follows that templates, that guidelines, that standards and governance. So that is another responsibility of PMO office. Then PMO office, if PMO office becomes strong, then actually they can manage the whole project by themselves, giving the project managers to manage the projects and looking after the end-to-end of the project. So this is the way project PMO office can add great value to your organizations. There is a bargaining among the thought leaders whether the name PMO, Project Manager's Office, is is appropriate, or we should use RMO, or that means Result Management Office. Because sometimes if you only talk about PMO, Project Management Office, they are actually talking about governance, they are going to implement governance, they are going to ensure standards, procedure, policies. So it is showing that they are actually focusing on only the processes, standards, guidelines, frameworks, but they are not focusing on the value deliveries. So some thought leaders think that the name of the PMO should be RMO, Result Management Office. That means they should ensure the targeted result is achieved by the project, the result the project is initiated. Thank you.